At Stanwell, we've been managing and maintaining thermal power stations for decades. Now we're utilising those smarts and skills to take us to the next generation.
Our new subsidiary, the Stanwell Asset Maintenance Company, or SAMCo, is on a mission to become Queensland's most reliable maintenance service provider across all forms of renewable energy. From solar and wind farms to grid-scale batteries, renewable hydrogen, pumped hydro and everything in between.
Stanwell has a long and proud history as one of the safest and most reliable generators in the national electricity market.
We've always kept the lights on when it matters most. Now SAMCo will take us to even greater heights.
We're not saying it'll be easy, but it's a change for good.
Good for the planet.
Good for owners and OEMs looking to optimise their assets.
For ensuring that Queensland energy workers are prepared for the clean energy future.
We've got the track record, the systems and the people to service the full spectrum of renewable energy assets.
We mean business.
We're SAMCo, we're for future generations.
And that future starts now.